Bluechiip's a technology company and now a product-based company, all based on a novel technology that was patented originally 10 years ago. It is a tracking technology. It's like RFID technology, but it's novel because it actually has no electronics, which means it can actually survive very harsh environments. And our first target market, because of those harsh environments, happens to be in healthcare, which is actually the tracking of very valuable biological samples, whether that's IVF, cord blood, stem cells, clinical trial samples that have been stored in low temperatures. So that's really been the basis of the company we've now been developing for the last 10 years, and we're at a very exciting stage now that we're commercialising that technology with patents behind it, with distribution partners, manufacturing partners, and really growing the company. Being a small microcap company, the type of thing that Bluechiip is, we're a technology company, which is a bit rare in Australia. So we're not one of the standard things, and thankfully that's not non-mining services and exploration companies are coming back in. So we have been behind the scenes. We're now really gaining traction. I think that's the commercial traction. We've raised money in a recent private placement, which has given us a stronger balance sheet to continue on delivering on the milestones, which is what everyone is waiting for. And that's really what the next 12, 18, 24 months is about in order to deliver and show that this is a commercial enterprise, not just a research and technology company. Growth is in our initial market, which is in healthcare and what is known as biobanking. So the applications I mentioned before, IVF, cord blood, they are huge growth areas. There's over 2 billion samples being stored around the world, and it's actually growing at about 200 million per annum. So we're talking very significant volumes. That's a great first market, but our technology is what's known in the market as a platform technology. So biobanking actually happens to be the tip of the iceberg. There is a lot below the surface that some things we know of. There are applications for this in security and defence, aerospace and aviation, manufacturing and industrial applications, harsh environments. There are things that we're not even aware of yet, and I think as we get the technology a little bit more mature, we're going to have a lot more organisations that actually approach us because they can see a potential use for the MEMS-based technology. The next 12, 24 months really is moving from being an R&D company to a full commercial enterprise, building our sales capability, building the partnerships with the distribution partners, building relationships with channel partners who are actually taking our technology and integrating it into their own. And whether that's freezer manufacturers, people who are in the automation equipment, who are looking at the benefits of the Bluechiip technology that that help the limitations that barcodes and labels have, and taking it to the next level. So working with those companies and really becoming a commercial enterprise. That's the key crux of the next period of growth.